Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will talk about how we can rank our gigs on FIVERR in order to get more orders. For this, we use free keyword generator website. Keywords are the word with which buyers search for gigs to place their respective order. So let's start. So we will search for our logo designing gig created in last video. Then select country, which country I want to target. For example, I will search for Pakistan. So here are the keywords that we used to search for logo designing. So we got our keywords, now we'll use them in our FIVERR gig to rank it. So now, save your gig and you are done. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe.